Speech communication.
Public speaking.
This enables students to analyze and evaluate.
Deliver what we thought by putting it into words.
Public speaking is very important to each person, and this enables students to analyze and evaluate their own as well as others, and to our behavior, and it allows them to become more effective communicators in their personal and professional life.
Speech. As a rational being, we have the capacity to talk, to walk, and to think, and hence we could deliver what we thought by putting it into words, and it's through speaking by mouth. That's all.
Speech communication have major focuses upon oral communication as a tool for doing the work of social life. And consider the reasons why people communicate, the method they are used to communicate, and to consequence of their interaction.
Speech communication establishes means with which to understand, evaluate, and improve the process of human communication and other balanced practical application, criticism, and theory. This enables students to analyze and evaluate their own as well as others' communicative behavior.
Communication is the study of human symbolic behavior in many forms. Speech is the oldest academic discipline and one of the most modern in its concern with interpersonal relationships.
Speech communication focuses on how people communicate. It is a special gift and a privilege of a man, then we use this to communicate our thoughts, feelings, desires, and aspirations to our fellow beings. Communication helps us form relationships and allows culture to evolve, encourage, and understand among people.
Communications help us form relationships, allows cultures to evolve, encourages understanding among people. In short, communication is the thing that makes us human. Without it, we would perish. The study of speech is based on the assumption that one's ability in communicate is an effective manner to vital, successful human interaction.
The sound and quality of our speech is the most important factor in spoken communication. Whatever position in life, speaking English clearly will make a better impression for everyone. In this world of instant communication, in terms of speech production and speech perception, it seeks to understand how human listeners recognize speech sounds and use this information to understand spoken language.
Speech communication. Upon oral communication as a tool for doing work of social life, it considers the reason why people communicate, the methods they use to communicate, and the consequences of their interactions. It also covers the modes and technologies of communications like spoken, written, nonverbal, communicate by the phone or to the computers, the context of the settings of communications like cultures, organizations, institutes, group, families, and interpersonal relationships, and how communication skills are acquired, how communication shapes societies and cultures, and other topics.
Communication has only one sense. It is the word of the mouth. And I'll leave you one question hanging. Imagine a world without communication.
Speech communication. Speech communication is a necessity. Why? It's because we communicate through words. Words that tells what our heart has